Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about 2 different dragonflies, and the gentleman was having trouble cleaning this up. So he's already figured it out, so I'm not really helping him too much. But I'm gonna hit P, put it in the center of the page. And I do this almost every drawing when I'm cleaning stuff up. I'm gonna start moving the 2-point line and hold down the control button. And then I'm gonna hit P and put it in the center of the page. I can take the virtual segment delete key and delete all that dragonfly on that side. And you can see there was actually some other problems in there. Okay, we got it all. Now, all you really have to do is clean up half this guy. So we're gonna just make it a little bit better. We're gonna I got a little bit more to do. You wanna make sure you get everything. And we could actually go ahead and take this line away so it won't interfere. And then if you have X7 or above, use a smoothing tool, make it like 0.25 and click on it and just make this a little smoother in all the points. And it's amazing how much clearer. And now I wish I would have made a copy of it. I mean, this takes no time whatsoever. Now, if you do not have X7 or above, maybe I'll do some things on the bottom wing where you could do it by hand. So let's take the bottom wing and get the shape tool and see all the nodes. So the shape tool is so much better, or the smoothing tool. Let's just delete all these nodes. See how much smoother that got? Take away all the nodes on it. And then see how thin it is, it's actually crossed. We can take our handles and make that better. But it's so easy with the smoothing tool. If you do not have X7, if you have below X7, I would definitely suggest you upgrading if you do a lot of custom work like this. I mean, some people maybe never have to clean up clip art. So I've spent a little bit of time on it, not too bad. Now there's still something over here. So I'm gonna take my virtual segment delete key and delete it. Now you see it's just a bounding box. Let's back up. See, I was getting a bounding box that was over there and I can see a little dot. So there's 2 ways you could do it. You could just grab, well, probably the best way is just the virtual segment delete key. I think it's gone. Then grab that, Control D and make a duplicate of it. I didn't evidently hit Control D. Well, what's the deal? Let me group this. No, can't do that. Control D. Something's going on with this file. Tell you what, let's just hit the plus key and then hold down the control button and mirror it over. And then just kind of look at top. See, we're not quite touching. So you could take your nudge tool, it goes 0.001, and grab that side and just wait till you get all the lines away. I don't think it really matters on the bottom. That looks pretty cool. And then I would take the whole thing and combine it. Now you have a much better dragonfly. It's a little thin right in there where I worked on it. But if we back up, if you ever see anything like that, just back up, grab your shape tool, and do what we did before. Move these nodes down, make it a little bit thicker. And you could do it on both sides or just start over again if you ever see anything like that. And then I always, and even though I know it's not there, I always take the yellow box, go up to Object, Order, back a page, and you can see it's transparent. That just the lines of the dragonfly. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.